In this section, we're looking at trying to determine the optimal consumption bundle, keeping in mind the idea that we are limited to a certain budget. So how do we make sure that we get the maximum value out of the money we have available? And the answer is just very similar to what we did with cost minimizing hiring of inputs. We're looking to make sure we get the biggest bang for our buck. So we want to make sure that the marginal utility that we get for one good per dollar spent is going to be equal to the marginal utility of the other good we're looking at to purchase per dollar spent. So we're looking at making sure these two ratios are equal. If one of these is larger, let's say this ratio is larger, I'm getting more marginal utility per dollar for X than I am for Y, then what I should do is buy more X and buy less Y. And the reason why is because we know with diminishing marginal utility gets smaller, this ratio will decrease. And if I'm buying less Y, marginal utility will go up, which means that this ratio will go up until a point at which they're both equal. And as long as we've spent all of our money on goods, all the budget that we have available, and as long as the two ratios are equal, then we will have maximized our utility based on our budget and optimized our consumption bundle.